Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, blind spot sensor, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you